Unit number 4, Harakaat. And what are Harakaat? As I have in all my previous lessons since I have started unit number 4, I have repeated in every lesson Zabar, Zer and Pesh, Fatha, Kasra and Zamma in Arabic language. These three are called Harakaat in Al-Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dears, how are you? I hope you will be fine there and enjoying Ramadan, the last Ashara of Ramadan Mubarak. Guys, once again I welcome back you on my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid with another day, with another video and with another lesson. And as well as who are newcomers on my channel, must subscribe my channel and must watch all my coming videos. So in this regard, you don't have to be forget to press the bell icon so that you can got the notifications of all my coming videos. सामीन जो मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं उनसे दरख्वास्त है कि वो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आप कुरान पाक को तजवीद के साथ सीखना चाहते हैं, घर बैठे आप कुरान पाक को सीखना चाहते हैं, क़वाइद के साथ सीखना चाहते हैं, तो बहुत ही आसान और एक आम फहम तरीका, घर बैठे मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इंशाअल्लाह ताला आप ज़रूर सीखेंगे और उससे आप फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकेंगे। So guys, let's go and see what's the lesson of today is there. Guys, as you know, we are studying Takhti number 4 Quranic, and I want to repeat here, if any letter having any of these haraka will not be read by pulling or by attaching the letters, but with a short sound. And as well as if alif, as you can see here, this is alif, and if alif having any haraka, like here is alif having fatha and here is kasra and here is zamma, so in this case alif will not be read as alif but it will be read as hamza. The condition is if alif having any of these three harakat, then the alif will be read as hamza. So guys, let's start off the lesson of today with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. Ta'awuz and tasmiyah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Guys, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं लास्ट टाइम हमने गाइन की अदायगी, उसकी साउंड और प्रोनाउंसिएशन को 3 हरकात के साथ उसको सीखा था, और आज का हमारा सबक है खा। खा लाइक अगर हमने ऊपर हा पढ़ा था तो हा के ऊपर एक डॉट डाल दें तो वो खा बन जाता है, और इसका मखरिज गाइन की तरह हमारा मिडल थ्रोट है। If we talk about the makhrij of kha, the place we produce the sound of kha is our middle throat. So guys, if kha having fatha, it will be read as kha, fatha, kha, zabar, kha, kha, zabar, kha, kha, zabar, kha. And the next is kha with kasra, kha with zer, kha, kasra, khi. In the sound of kasra, we throw the sound towards the down side. You can see here, I hope you will be must follow me and practice the sounds of these harakat, like kha, kasra, khi, khi. Here we pass the sound towards the downside, and in kha fatha kha we produce a sound towards outside in a straight path. Kha fatha kha, kha, the upper sound, and the sound of kasra is the sound towards the underside, towards the downside. Khi, khi, khi. Here the sound of in the sound of kasra we press the sound towards downside here. Kha kasra, khi, khi. And kha zamma, kha pesh, Khu. Here is the sound of pesh is also the upper sound. Uh, by producing the sound of zamma, we make upper and lower lips. We make upper and lower lips in a round shape. Like when we produce the sound of wow in takhti number 1, haruf tahajji, I mean alphabetics, Arabic alphabets. So the sound of zamma resembles totally like the sound of wow. Kha, zamma, khu. By producing the sound of zamma, pesh, we make our both lips in a round shape. Khu, khu. If you practice and notice your both lips, you can easily learn it. Kha fatha kha, kha kasra khi, and kha zamma khu. Kha. When we produce the sound of fatha, we'll open our mouth upper and towards upper and the lower lips towards their sides, up and down, and our the sound of fatha will produce within the space, from the space of our mouth. Kha, khi, khu, khu. So guys, this was a very short lesson of today. I hope you listened very attentively and carefully, and must practice in your homes. I hope in this way you can learn the sounds and pronunciations of zber, zir and pesh. So guys, once again, who are newcomers on my channel, must subscribe and as well as must watch all my coming videos. uh, if you want to learn Quran with tajweed, with qawaid, and with qiraat as well as. So guys, see you tomorrow with another day, with another video, and with another lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.